Hey, what's up guys? This is Piyush Kamitkar here. This is the review of Silverlit Nano Tandem. So let's start. This is the helicopter. This is the rescue copter, which is used in military or any space. It is too small in size. You can see this. It is of ABS plastic, which is easy. Means it is heavy. It is lighter. That's why they used the material. The props. You can see. It contains 4 props like 1, 2, 3, 4. As you see this, as I rotate the first one, the another one will rotate automatically, but in the front it is not like that. So if one is means this helicopter carries 3 motors, one at the back and 2 at the front. The front propellers lift the helicopter up, means the both works at the same time, but the back is just control the forward and backward. It just control the yawning movement, means like this, rotating. Here is on off switch and charging cable here. So now as we on the copter, light starts blinking. Just put it at the side, turn on the transmitter, just take this thrower up and down one time, means the remote and the copter paired. My helicopter is not charged, so just you can see it is not lifting up. After charging it will be. Here is the on off switch. This is the 3 channel, first, second and third. These are the left and right trims, means it just control the yawning movement, or if you just press the direction controller at the forward and just press any trim, it just turns like this. So this is the accelerator. These are the forward and backward trims. Here is the charger. It doesn't come with any spare charger. You need to purchase it. Otherwise just use the chargers which is given in the remote. So at the back of the remote here is the battery cover. The battery contains 4 AA batteries, and here is the logo of Silverlit. You can see this. So just put this at the side. In the box, it contains one helicopter, one remote, one instruction manual which contains a lot of languages, means English, Spanish, French, etc. It comes with helicopter, one string transmitter, instruction manual, double-sided tape, and 2 folding paper box. Means I have been made these things. One car and one box. You can add something in this box. It allows to get anything that you want to lift, but the weight of that, it must be lighter than the helicopter. So let's put this at the side and looking towards the box. At the front here is the transparent lid. Here it just comes the helicopter. The image of one helicopter is here. The transmitter's image is at here. Here is Nano Tandem is written on here. 3 channel controller, gyroscope, direction, stability, Here are some specifications of the helicopter. Here are just the logo of that. Here is nothing. Here is what the box contains. It just shows. At the back you can see the images of many tandems. They have got copters. Here is the logo. Sorry, it is not logo, it is the name of the copter, Nano Tandem. Here are some similar specifications or features of this. I think this is made in, no, it is not made in China. I don't know where is the manufacturing of this thing. So now I will be showing you how to charge your copter. Just turn on the transmitter, take one and down. Just remove this. Take your copter. Just put this. Just plug in. And after a few seconds, light will be get on and off. Sorry, it is not fitted. So again, just on off the transmitter. I think it is not get like that. Yes, it just blinks right now, and the light will blinks like this while charging. The transmitter is same as Nano Falcon's transmitter. It contains same things like the Nano Falcon has. I don't have Nano Falcon, but I purchased it before and I just break it off. This accelerator is springed, means if you just press it up and leave it, it just ham here. This is also springed, but it stays at the center. If you press this, it just bleep, means it just gives your tandem in demo mode. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon with the subscribe button and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.